Hello, hello, and welcome back, my ladies. I wanted to show you some simple, short baby doll dresses. And you know, I love the baby doll dresses, but these are the baby doll dresses that come with the matching um, underwear. So I'm going to show you what they look like on, and you can take a take on it. But they come with G-strings, matching G-strings, and I think that they're very, very gorgeous. You're going to love them. So I'm going to show you what they look like. For YouTube purposes, hopefully we just show you just a little taste and not too much. Right now I have on their sheer, and that is the difference of these lovely baby doll dresses. They are sheer baby doll dresses. They come in varieties of colors, but they're also more of on a short style. So I'm going to show you what they look like. Can't show you too much to turn around. We can only do it like a side view of the baby doll dress. But outside of that, they're very sheer and very sexy. So I think you'll love these type of baby doll dresses. And they're very, very soft and feel good. And they come, like I said, with the matching G-string. So hopefully you like the style and you love it. Just make sure you go to the link in the description below if you're interested in anything that I have to offer. It'll give you more information about what to do. So thank you for joining me. You are with Dr. Pamela Ages Beauty, and I'll be back to show you how the other beautiful baby doll dresses look with the G-string. We will be back. Now, welcome back. This is a very short crop baby doll dress. I can't show you too much because in the back of it, it is an open silhouette of it, and it's, you know, very short and sexy, but it is open. So we're not able to show you that. If you're interested, I'll show you what it looks like, where it's open in the back and where you can wear it. And if you're interested in seeing the full view of it, just go into the link in the description, and there's a link that you will be able to see this beautiful baby doll sexy dress that anyone can wear no matter what size. It's perfect. It hides and silhouettes the stomach and everything, and that's why I like the baby doll dresses, because it doesn't matter your size and weight, it still makes you look very sexy. So okay, so I will be back and I'll show you the other sexy sheer lingerie baby doll dress that come with G-strings. Okay, we will be back. Hello, welcome back. So now this is our final sexy lingerie that I think you would truly, truly love. And this is, again, a sheer, come with the G-string. This one has a slit on the side, and it is very, very sexy. I think this is something you would truly love, ladies. Again, we can only show so much because of the sheerness of it. So hopefully you can see. And then there's a slit here, which makes it very, very sexy. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I hope these 3 baby doll dresses that you see, I'll come back and show you some of the really sexy ones, but I might have to put on a bodysuit so that you can really see the outfits for YouTube purposes. So thank you for joining me. You've been with Dr. Pamela Ages Beauty. I hope that these sexy lingerie baby doll dresses you will truly, truly love and get, so you can have a wonderful evening with your mate. So thank you for joining me, and I will be back as we talk and show more of sexy lingerie for any woman, any size. See you soon.